Hey all, welcome back to Mess with Mopars. Darren here. So, it's Friday afternoon. Ta-da! Let's see if we can make some noise. Let's see if we can make some noise. That's loud, eh? We gotta get some mufflers on it. That's awesome. So, there you go. Couple of pumps, she fired right up. So, get some exhaust on it. Then we can let it run for a little bit because it's it's really loud. All right, thanks for coming along for the ride. Have a great afternoon, and I will talk to you later.